Okay, so now we're going to duplicate this label just so we can have it, and we're going to change the font for the other label. We gotta make that smaller and then put it directly in the middle. So now I'm gonna go to use my colors that I always use, the colors for my labels. Wait, the stroke is white. Oh, I turned the stroke down. So you can turn the stroke up to however much you want. And then I use this kind of shadow. And then I use that color for the shadow. But you can make your shadow like that, like that, like that. I use that one though. Okay, boom, put it back in the middle. Okay, and then, so this is how I want it. This is how it's going to be layered. Yeah, this is how it's going to be layered. So I'm going to duplicate this, right? Boom. And then I duplicate it just so I can see how it looks. So now the bottom layer is going to be all purple. So the bottom layer is purple. Wait. Okay, the stroke got to be purple. Okay, boom. So this is how the bottom layer is gonna look. So, wait, we want to make sure that's in the middle. Directly in the middle. Okay, boom. So now I'm going to move this to wherever I want it. You can make it smaller. You can make it the crown bigger. Whatever. Everything is up to you. So, boom. Okay. I want the crown I move the crown like that so that it can be connected when we cut it out on Cricut. Y'all gonna see. So now I'm gonna save the project. Save project. And then I'm going to, okay. So I'm gonna save the image as a PNG. Boom. Now we're going to go to the next layer. So we're gonna duplicate that. And the second layer is white. So, okay, we're going to make everything white. White stroke. Well, look, okay, boom. It don't even have to have a stroke. And this layer don't have to have a background either. So we can either do it like this, or we can do it like this. We can use a stroke. Oh, hold on. And turn that down and make the stroke. We can, like, how do I explain it? Okay, so we can do it like that, how I had it, or we can do it like this. Now, this would probably be more work because you would have to peel out more. Peel out, like, you would have to peel out all the letters, basically. Yeah, I'm going to just keep it like how I had it. So, boom, stroke, no stroke. So look, you can do this 3 ways. You can do it like this. You can do it like this. You can take the text away and just use a stroke. You can do it like that, or you can do it like this. So you can duplicate it and have it like this, and that way this will be the second layer, and you'll just make this smaller than the purple layer. So the white layer will be smaller than the purple layer so that it can fit inside the purple layer. Okay, I'm gonna just use this one. I'm gonna just use this one to make it so I don't have to like peel off as much. So boom, we gonna save the project and then save the image as a PNG. Okay, now for the top layer, okay, remember this is how we want it to look. So the top layer is pink, so that don't have no stroke and no background. So what we're gonna do is use pink. We're gonna take away the stroke and we're gonna take away the background. So the pink layer, we're gonna put that directly in the middle, and we're gonna make the crown a little bit smaller so that it fits over the top or whatever. Okay, boom. Now, and you want to make sure you don't have it like this. Like this can't be nowhere near like on the transparent paper, because then that's how it will save. This will be in the picture. So you want to move this completely out the way. Okay, so we're going to save this project, and then we're going to save images PNG. Okay, so now that we saved all 3 layers, right? So we saved all 3 of these layers. Now we're going to email them to ourselves. So I'm going to send these to my email from my camera roll, and then I'm going to take out to the computer. So I'm going to save the project. Okay, so now we're going to email all 3 layers to ourselves so that we can download them to our computer and then upload them to Cricut Design Space. And if you guys would like to see how to do that part, you can click the video that I linked above. Okay, so downloaded it and uploaded it, and now the first layer, which is the bottom layer, the purple layer, we're cutting it out with Cricut, and then we're going to move on to the second layer, which is the white layer, and we're going to let the Cricut cut that out. And then lastly, the pink layer, we're going to let it cut that out. Okay, so boom, once we have all 3 layers, now we have to do the weeding process. So I'm gonna weed out the purple, which is super easy because it's like a block of letters. Super easy. It wasn't too complex. Neither was the white. The pink one is the most complex. And you want to weed it out slowly and carefully because you don't want to rip the label or anything. Now for the top layer, this is the most complex, you see, as you can tell. Okay, now we're going to layer it from top to bottom. So the first layer, we're going to use the transfer tape and put it on top of the pink, and then we're going to carefully place the pink on top of the white, but you got to get it to where you want it. Like you got to do it carefully until you're satisfied. Like, I don't know how to explain it, just watch. Boom. I was satisfied with the position, so I just laid it down. And then I scraped it on there, using a scraper. And then we're going to do the same thing with the bottom layer. So now we're going to take this off, and we're going to place this vinyl onto the purple. You see, you gotta be careful. Boom. And scrape that on there. Boom. And really, that's how you layer vinyl. It's really simple, but it is kind of tedious, but it's simpler than I thought. And then you just put it on the tube or whatever, for whatever project, whatever items you want to sell, whatever products. Like, you can use this for soap labels, body butters, anything really. So yeah, that's how you make and layer vinyl lip gloss labels using Cricut. So if you guys would like to catch more of the Baddies vibe, all of the links are in the description box. And check out RoyalBaddieCosmetics.com to see the lip glosses and the lashes we have to offer. And we have more products dropping soon, so stay tuned. Until next time, Royal family, meeting adjourned. Bye.